for two. Dengan berhasil juga oleh Segan.
Sigurado, Lugo, Trimambay, Nunak, intercept by number 15. Lugo, Trimambay del Mundo. Sabun, Avenado. Okay, team na tayo.
Del Mundo en el campo. Sigurado, outside Maniago. Maniago firing a three. Meron na shot clock. Pangilinan, extra pass, Sigurado. Maniago for three. Let's go. Double 10. Well, Travis good. Number 2, intercepted, pass to Maniago. Maniago, number 2.
Trimambay number 15 to Maniago. Pull and pass to Sabun. Goal. Intercept by Sigurado. Pass by number 15.
Number 3, let's go. Niners versus 5. Last five. Maniago taking shot. Let's again. Sigurado with 4-2. Sigurado is the last with 4-2. Sigurado, inside pass. Good for two. Sigurado, over 3. Let's go. Maniago, good for 2. Sigurado, power 3. Let's go. Dallas, extra 2, let's go. Pumasa dalawa kalawang. Maniago. Pumasa. Good for 2. Deadlock tayo. Sigurado, good for 2. Seven. Outside. Intercepted. Hema is freeside. Maniago blow shot. Good for 2. Angat sa sampung kalaman. Last shot of the shot. Intercepted. Good pass. Pass it down. Center of the shot clock. Firing on 3. Let's go. Maniago firing on 3. 2. Here's the